Going on, everyone? Got a 2019 Honda CHR and be changing out the cabin filter today. Alright, so the cabin filter is located behind the glove box. First thing to do, we're going to need to drop the glove box. We're going to need to disconnect this damper right here. So we're just going to pull on it. It just disconnects like that. You see it has these stoppers here. I'm going to push the glove box in and get it around these stoppers on both sides. And then you can lower the door down. Okay, so the cabin filter is located in this compartment here. We're going to take this door off here. On the right side, we're going to squeeze these clips, pull towards us. We're going to pull the door off. Okay. We're going to take this out. And here's our filter. It just comes out of this holder like this. The airflow on this is going to be down. So if we look at our filters, it always has an arrow on them. So put this in here. Best we can with one hand. Alright. So once we get that in there, we just put this back in. Now if you look, there's a little step right here that can give you a little bit of problems. This steps up, and we're going to need to put this guy on top of that the best we can. Alright, it needs to go up like that. Okay, it needs to sit up. There needs to be a gap here, like right here. If you don't have this gap, you'll have a hard time pushing it in all the way. Right here it says up. That's just the door is up, okay? And then put the left side in first, and then snap this on. Glove box door. What we're gonna do is close it, hook the damper back up, and you're all done.